Alright, welcome back guys. This is Mini Motor Madness, episode 2 of our Hemi Predator 212 powered 81 Yamaha golf cart. You can see the engine is completely installed. Just to show you what I did here. This is a custom skid that I built from scratch, just out of scraps I had laying around the house. We do have a torque converter, belt drive torque converter, going to a forward reverse gearbox transmission back here. This has forward, neutral, and reverse, and then we're going to a 1-to-1 chain drive back to the original rear end gearbox, which is a 13-to-1 reduction for the golf cart. Finally got everything set up and done, adjusted the way that I like it. We're going to go ahead and do the first start on the engine, make sure everything runs good. We're going to put it in neutral. I don't have my shifter installed yet, but we're going to put it in neutral and fire this thing up, make sure our belt transfer's all right, make sure our throttle cable's hooked up right. See if she starts. Back up a little bit. Smoke. That was seriously the second pull. Brand new engine. See, we've got the gearbox in neutral, so it is spinning that secondary. Stop if we want to. Yeah, I can't believe how easily it started. Crazy. Maybe we might as well go drive it now. Well, everything seems to be working fine. We don't have any seats right now, but that's all right. We're going to take it out and cruise it anyway and see what it'll do. I'm kind of nervous. I don't even know if the brakes work.
Back up.
Oh! You just get a burnout! No way this is working this good. I am seriously impressed with how well that actually worked. Everything seems to be holding up fine. We might as well keep rolling with it. No seats, no seat belts, nothing to hang on to for these guys. We're ripping.
Dad, you're ripping up a wheel.
It's fine. And there's 3 of us on here right now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try to reverse. Now we're in reverse. And it works. We're gonna do a top speed run. I really cannot believe how much this thing freaking rips. guys, I could not be more impressed with the way this thing turned out so far. Got a few kinks, got a few bugs to iron out, but overall, this thing rips. Top speed, about 16 as fast as it would go. And that's on the stock engine. That's with the governor still on it and all that. So if we crank this thing up to like 5,000 RPMs, should easily be able to hit 18, 19, 20 miles an hour, which really is plenty for a golf cart. I don't know what we're gonna do about the motor mounts. I put the strap on here just to hold this down to here to help out for the time being, just so we could keep playing with it. And that definitely helped keep some tension on that chain. I don't know, we might get rid of the rubber mounts altogether, or at least on the back, and just like rigid mount it on the back or something. But so yeah, we got a few things left to do on this build. Obviously this is the first engine that's being installed. We still have to get the second one installed on the other side. That's going to be our auxiliary power, almost like a generator we're going to put in here. We do have that other Predator that we're going to be putting in the mini bike over here. So if you have any questions, comments about this build thus far, be sure and comment down below, and like and subscribe, guys. We got a lot more fun action. We got some stuff coming with the car yet, with the build on that. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Dadgummit, stay good. We'll see you later.